welcome to Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi. This is the latest from the diplomatic front between India and Bangladesh. Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's two-day visit to India has marked a significant milestone in bilateral relations, being the first foreign leader received by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi after the recent formation of the National Democratic Alliance government, that is NDA, for a third consecutive term. Here's a special report from Foresights TV with me, Anushka Tyagi. Today, Prime Minister Hasina was accorded a warm welcome at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where she was greeted by Prime Minister Modi. The ceremonial reception was followed by a visit to Rajghat, where she paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi, underscoring the shared values of peace and non-violence between the two nations. The day's agenda also included a tete-a-tete meeting between the two leaders and delegations-level talks aimed at strengthening cooperation across various sectors. Both countries are set to enhance their economic ties with discussions revolving around a potential trade pact. Bangladesh holds a significant position in India's trade dynamics, being its largest trading partner in South Asia. The bilateral trade volume between the two nations surged to $15.9 billion in the recent fiscal year, reflecting robust economic engagement. In terms of connectivity, India and Bangladesh continue to make strides with projects like the Maitri Setu Bridge and the Chilahati-Haldibari rail link, with promise to bolster regional connectivity and economic integration. The visit also highlights the strategic importance of Bangladesh under India's neighborhood first policy, fostering cooperation in areas ranging from security and energy to science and technology. Both leaders are expected to oversee the signing of several memorandums of understanding, that is MOU, further solidifying their collaborative efforts. In conclusion, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's visit underscores the deep-rooted ties and the shared vision for a prosperous and interconnected South Asia. As the leaders of India and Bangladesh engage in discussions spanning trade, connectivity, and strategic partnerships, the visit is poised to set a new benchmark in bilateral relations, paving the way for greater cooperation and mutual growth in the years ahead. Stay tuned for further updates on this historic diplomatic engagement between India and Bangladesh.